Hello all, welcome back for another video. So reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can get rid of the service or the maintenance indicator of a Toyota GT86. This one comes from 2012 and this is on how you can reset the service or the maintenance interval. First of all, turn the ignition off, back on, then we're going to use the odometer or the trip button over here. Press it a couple of times to have the trip A indicator on your screen. And then what you need to do is turn the ignition off, press the auto or the trip button, press and hold it while you turn the ignition back on. Wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And while you keep the odometer or the trip button pressed, turn back on the ignition. And you'll see the next time when you turn the ignition on or start the car, the service reminder or the interval won't appear on your screen or your dashboard. This was a 2012 GT Toyota. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.